So I hope I'm heard over all the noise. This was the rowdy crew that we had after getting off the flight. This was the first time we got off the flight, I believe, where we're standing around waiting after they gave us 3 delays. And then after those 3 delays, we had, no, actually, I'm sorry. This might be the second day. And I say it's the second day because soon you'll see the 2 pilots. We had heard that the pilots were on strike, and that's why we did not fly out, because pilots were on strike. And our thing was, if they're on strike, that's okay. Everybody want to get more money at their jobs for doing what they feel that they do best or something like that, However, you work that out with your bosses. Don't come to work and then make other people suffer for what it is that you have going on. You know what I'm saying? Because you're then putting other people's livelihoods at stake. People had to get back to work, get back to their kids, get back to their pets, get back to their livelihoods that they didn't plan to be out in Cancun after all that time. There go the 2 pilots, co-pilot 1 and co-pilot 2. They're standing back there because, those folks were not playing. Those folks were like, okay, this is our second day. Why are other flights leaving and we haven't gone yet? What's the issue? On top of, like I said, we went online and we said that there was supposedly a pilot strike. We had the same crew the second day, and we went nowhere. So they were afraid to come off of there. I don't blame them, honestly. You put other people's livelihoods at stake and everything that they got going on, they're liable to chop you up. And that's exactly what these people wanted to do. You know what I'm saying? But they went on back because I wouldn't have came out there either. I'm not going to lie to you.
I told y'all pay on Cash App, Zelle, $100.
Oh, then y'all know what's going on.
Yeah, they know exactly what's going on, man. They know exactly what's going on, man.
Excuse me, they have all your attention. So I just got information that for now we're gonna provide 15 meal voucher for $15.
I don't care.
We don't want no. We don't want no food. We don't want no food. We don't want no food. Fucking place. We don't want no food. $15. One price that the front is about
$15? What are you guys buying us? Shit?
We don't want no $15 voucher. I buy one large price, you understand, I pay $14 fee. That's why I'm a galang bad in this number.
What I don't understand is on this side, like him to pick us up.
No, because they came to pick up us, but when they get a pilot,
That's a different plane, but it's the same pilot.
Only American pilot takes you over there.
And don't strike.
They're on strike.
Well,